Hello and welcome back to my world of food. Although the sunshine is very strong today, we're heading for winter, and at night it gets cold and you want something nice and warm to eat, and nothing better than the old traditional Irish stew. Brings us back to our roots, and it was good for people years ago and it's as good for people now. Hope you enjoy this. We start off with a hot pan, and we add some olive oil, be quite liberal with that. Now when we've got the olive oil in, let it just start to heat a little bit, and we add the onions, fine, and about 2 cloves of garlic. So now we let that cook for about a minute. Now after about a minute, when the onion just starts to cook and you can hear the sizzle, so you know it's starting to cook, we then add the mushrooms. And we let these cook for about another minute to 2. Now back in the day there wouldn't be any exact recipe, because people would have used whatever was available to them, and that's how it is in the country. You don't say that you have to have this, you have to have that. If you haven't got it, you use whatever you have got. And so just like that, we're using what we like. So now that we've got the onions and the mushrooms just starting to brown, we'll add the vegetables into that then. And then we'll put the potatoes in. Okay, so we'll let this settle, and we'll just let this sizzle now for about 5 minutes. Just start to brown the vegetables, and also give us a nice juicy stew, so that we can then add the lamb to the frying pan and brown that with the goodness of the vegetables that we just cooked in. Minutes. So now we've moved the vegetables into the saucepan, which has just a little bit of heated gravy in it just to start it cooking. We then get the pepper, sprinkle that on the pan, some chili flakes, some mixed herb, and some smoked paprika. And we just give that a little turn. Just get the oil sizzling, and now we put the lamb into this, and this will take up the lovely flavour now of the herbs that we're using. And we'll just use this now, we'll just heat the lamb up. So it just browns. So we'll have to do this in a couple of goes. So we probably need about 2 minutes each side on this lamb, and then we'll put this in the saucepan. Now, so we've got the lamb nice and brown on one side, it's nearly ready on the other side. When it's completely brown, we'll put that in the saucepan, and then we'll just finish off the other 3 pieces of lamb. We'll come back to you then when that's done. Okay, so we're all done now. So we've got the vegetables, we've got the meat all in the saucepan, and we just keep it so that the water content just comes up to level with the top of the lamb. And now we'll leave this to cook for about 2 hours. It's smelling nice already, and this is going to be a lovely warm meal for tonight. I'll come back to you when it's finished cooking. So now, after 2 hours, we're all finished cooking, and it looks really nice, smells nice, and this will be a lovely dinner, especially on a cold night. Yeah, it looks very nice. The lamb should be so soft it falls off the bone, and we'll plate it up and you can see what it looks like. Now, that looks very nice. It's a lovely meal for a cold night. Looks lovely. Lamb's falling off the bone. Got a lovely taste in the soup. That should do a very nice meal, and we're very happy with that. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe so we can make more films like this.